Out in
Look at
Canada.
them boys, man. He heard us. You know a cowboy when you see one, huh?
Yeah, what's up, man? How you doing? You are a big fella.
This is the Cowboys' dream, especially a LA Cowboy. You know, and they'll ask us, and we're Cowboys, and it's like, oh, Cowboys where, when, why, what time, how did it happen? Especially when we say that we came from the city.
I was born a cowboy, I think, you know, because I always wanted to be a cowboy. Even before, when I was a kid, had dreams of having a horse one day, and I could do that, and so I just lived my life like that. First time I actually got on a horse was 1999. I've been riding ever since.
Being a cowboy to me has definitely been life-changing. If we can have a lot of other people be exposed to this, and that's what we're doing at Urban Saddles, we're getting those guys out. We're having families there, so the experience is amazing.
And it's just to give them a different outlook. Los Angeles even though it's a big city, it's segregated. A lot of gang activity where people are bound to streets and not just the relationship with other people. So when they get in this environment, they have to deal with people outside of their environment.
I'll put a lot of our time, effort, and energy into the horse. Give them a lot of the grooming and touching that, you know, sometimes we desire as well. We're able to give it to the horses. And it just puts me in a great space, mentally, spiritually, physically, to be around these animals.
Normally we're on the concrete. So having the opportunity to do this, we embrace it every time.
This is it right here. We're back in our element in Canada. This is the life, a cowboy's dream. This is what it is right here. You know, Urban Saddles, we're trying to build these bridges. We're trying to introduce these horses to a lot of people because it can have a lot of impact.
They have to create a relationship with the horse. They have to. And then what it does is it opens their mind to see, you know what? He's really not that bad. She's really not that bad. We're kind of like the same. We kind of like the same stuff. And then you see the kids, the excitement that they get just being able to be around the horse. It gives them the ability to start dreaming within the environment that they're in.
It's about sharing our experience and trying to better other people with it if we can. You know, everyone is not a cowboy, but for the ones that are, we want to ensure that we give them that opportunity. See this, my buddy?
Yeah.
See Urban Saddles? We've been here.
Yeah, get a picture of that.
Yeah.